Hello, welcome to my channel. This video will be dedicated to me doing my nails. I typically do my nails within probably like 2 to 3 weeks, I want to say, but I've been doing them myself since the end of last year. However, I just started using the nails that I will be showing in this video. I just started using them about 2 months ago, so I'm still figuring them out, I'm still figuring it out. I promise I am. But right here, I'm just going to put some water in the microwave for about 35 seconds, just so it can warm up the acetone. And then I will be soaking my fingers in the acetone. Then after I let it soak for a minute, I wiped the excess nail glue, all of that off. It actually came off pretty good, which I was shocked, because usually I have to do within about 2 to 3 dips, but I think that's just because I wouldn't warm up the water enough, or I would warm it up too high and then have to wait, and then I'd be waiting. Very irritating. But right here, I'm just going to use my drill just to get the excess glue and anything else that I'm seeing on my nails, just to go ahead and get it off and get it smooth. And also, I hope you all enjoy the drill sound. Maybe it'll be like a little ASMR, maybe not, but just let me know if you like it or not. I just wanted to try something different on this video, because I didn't want it to have fully just playing background music the full time. And I'm not too comfortable yet with talking as well, I want to say as much, but I'm going to get used to it. Got a lot of things to get used to, got a lot of things to do, period. Right here, as you can see, I'm just using this to make my nails smoother, make sure everything looks nice and neat, and then I'm going to start on my right hand. I'm just going to drill all the excess nail polish off, just so it'll be an easier process when I soak them in the acetone. Okay, so here are the LA Colors nails, the glue that they have, cuticle oil, nail dehydrator, top coat, and then here's the color that I'm going to be using. The color that was requested was a lavender color, which happens to be my favorite color. So we're gonna go with that one. But right here, you can just see me simply applying the nail glue to the nails and then pressing down on my nails, just to make sure the nail is on there very, very good, very, very well. And I did hurry up and wipe off the excess glue just before it dried, so it wouldn't be too much for me to deal with on the nail, actually. once you get done gluing them, look how they look. They look so nice already. But as you can see, I'm going to go with the polish next. I'm only going to do one layer of this polish because it's already a thick polish as it is. I should probably mention I do not know how to do nails professionally. However, this is just what works best for me and what I like to do. And but this lasts typically I say about 2 to 3 days. Only because I'm using gel polish. So the nails are pretty smooth. So sometimes the gel polish will peel off of it if you work excessive hours. I will repeat, if you work excessive hours and you have to wear gloves at work, the polish will peel. Okay. Now once I'm going to just wipe against the fingernails just to make sure they are dry. Then I'm going to apply some of the top coat on there. Then I will be putting my hand back under the blue light for about a few seconds. So all it needs is just a few seconds. Not too much, not too little. It's just about 100 seconds. And that's about it. You look at that all dry. Now we're just going to move to the right hand. Really going to do the same process for the right hand. It's nothing too extreme, nothing extraordinary. The next is just a cuticle oil, just a little bit on like the bottom of my nails. That's about it. Didn't really need much of it. Just rub it in a little bit. And as you can see, this is a before picture, and then here's the after. Look at it. Don't they look so nice, so neat, so cutesy? Yeah. Very demure.